Playtime with littermates helps puppies develop stronger immune systems by exposing them to various germs and bacteria in a controlled environment. During play, puppies will often engage in self-handicapping, intentionally putting themselves in vulnerable positions like lying on their backs to invite play from their siblings. Puppies have a fairness concept even in play. If one pup consistently breaks the rules like biting too hard, others may refuse to play with them. The play sneeze is a common behavior during play, where a puppy will sneeze to signal that their actions are playful, not aggressive. Puppies will often engage in mirror play, imitating each other's movements and behaviors as a form of social bonding. Play with littermates helps puppies develop stronger jaw muscles, which is crucial for their adult teeth. Puppies have a natural stop signal during play. If one pup gets too rough, the other will freeze or stop, signaling the need to calm down. In play, puppies will often take turns being the aggressor and the victim, learning from both perspectives. Puppies will mimic sounds they hear during play, including growls, barks, and whines as they practice communication. Puppies engage in play that involves problem solving, like figuring out how to get a toy from another pup. Play involves social role playing, where puppies act out dominance, submission, and cooperation. Puppies become adept at reading facial expressions of their littermates, understanding their moods and intentions. Just like adult dogs, puppies use play as a way to relieve stress and anxiety. Puppies will often move together in synchronized ways during play, building coordination and teamwork. Puppies use play to learn important survival skills they would need in the wild. Puppies communicate a lot through touch during play, using gentle nudges or pushes to convey messages. Play strengthens social bonds between littermates, forming the basis of lifelong relationships. Puppies will imitate behaviors they've seen in adult dogs. Puppies engage in what behaviorists call jolly behaviors, like exaggerated play bows or silly movements to invite play.